Hello everyone, welcome to Morning English. This is January.
Hello everybody, this is Nora. 欢迎大家收听早安英文。
Hello, welcome to Morning English. 早安英文呢是一个为大家免费提供英语教学的频道，每天都会更新。如果你想获得关于英语听说读写的内容，我们都会在这个频道更新。我们的目标是帮助全球的华人学好英语。如果你觉得还不错的话，记得给我们订阅哦。另外，点开小铃铛，这样的话就不会错过其他任何学习视频啦。对了，如果你想获取本节课的完整版笔记，在视频简介或者评论区领取哦。你也可以给这个视频点赞，点赞就相当于自动保存啦。
Okay, Nora, so what should we talk about today?
Honestly, the topic today is a little bit embarrassing, but also very useful at the same time. 虽然有点尴尬，但是生活中每个人绝对都多多少少有经历过。
Let me guess. Is it a sound that your body made when you were like full?
Yeah, you got it. 今天呢，我们就是要聊一聊身体会发出的一些声音啊，比如有打嗝啊、肚子叫啦、打喷嚏啊，还有
Passing the gas.
Exactly. 就感觉我们是一期有味道的节目啦。那我们话不多说 ，Let's get the ball rolling. Okay, let's start with something less awkward. 打嗝 How do we say it in English?
Well, there are several ways. The first one is burp. A burp is what you might do if you're full.
对，打嗝呢其实也分好几种啊。首先是吃饱了的这种饱嗝，叫做 burp. Like, Jane had a big burp after dinner.
I didn't.
It was just an example.
Alright, but I guess everyone burps. This would include even the queen herself. So there's no reason to be overly embarrassed.
对，这个其实真的非常常见。礼貌一点的话呢 You can keep your lips closed and try to be as quiet as possible.Yeah,
and you can also say excuse me or pardon me to no one in particular.
对，那像刚刚讲到这两个表达都是抱歉的含义，打嗝或者打喷嚏的时候都可以用。其实你也不是对任何人说，就是自己对自己说。
Right, and burp also has another usage. It's to make a baby bring up air from the stomach, especially by rubbing or patting its back.
Exactly.就是轻拍或者是抚摸宝宝的背部，让他们打嗝的时候呢，也是用到这个词 burp。而另外一个单词跟 burp 很相似，叫做 belch, but it's usually a loud sound.
Yeah, 用到 belch 的时候呢，那很多搭配都是 loudly. For instance, he wiped his hand across his mouth and then belched loudly.
有的时候小朋友之间还会故意玩这种游戏啊，比谁的嗝的声音更大。
是的。OK, 那最后呢，还有一个词叫做 hiccups.
像驯龙高手动画片里面的男主角啊，绰号也叫做 hiccups. Well, actually a hiccup is what you might get if you eat or drink too fast. It's involuntary and most people cure themselves of it by drinking some water or holding their breath.Right,
就是不经意突然打出来的嗝，有可能呢是因为吃东西过快，也有可能呢就是突然就打出来了。Like last morning, Nora couldn't stop giving hiccups.
Yeah, that's how I thought about the topic today.
对，灵感来源于生活嘛。Okay, next, we come to the noise we make when the stomach is empty.
Our listeners may not know that Jane's always hungry and that her stomach is rumbling all the time when we are recording.
That's not true. It's just rumbling occasionally. Like rarely.
Okay. 那 rumble 这个单词啊，其实就可以指肚子咕咕叫的那个声音啊。It's to make a long, deep sound and a series of sounds.
Right. 那其实这个声音呢，也可以用来形容雷声。Thunder is rumbling in the distance.
Exactly.Okay, next we have sneeze. And in fact, I've been sneezing all morning.
Oh, bless you.
Thank you.
Did you get a cold?
Yeah, I think so. 那 sneeze 这个动词呢，就是代表的打喷嚏。When someone sneezes in the United States or the UK, more often than not someone else says, bless you. 不管旁边的人是不是认识你啊，你都可能会听到他们对你说 bless you.
Yeah, people used to believe a sneeze caused somebody to expel their soul out of their body, so God bless you or bless you was used as a protection against the devil snatching your soul.
对，在过去的时候呢，就认为打喷嚏啊是会让灵魂离开身体，所以需要说这句话作为一种保护的方式。 不过呢，这也是以前迷信的说法了。It's now generally just meant to be the polite way to say.
对，就是一种表达礼貌的方式。那和打喷嚏有一点相似的一种行为呢，就是 coughing.
Right. There are many possible causes of coughs, including a cold, allergies, and infections.
是的 cough 就是指的咳嗽。It's a standard way of clearing your throat.
Yeah, but do remember when you're coughing or sneezing in public, cover your mouth and nose with a tissue. 记得用纸巾盖住你的鼻子或者是嘴巴。
If you don't have a tissue, cough or sneeze into your elbow. 那如果没有纸巾的话呢，就用手肘盖住打喷嚏就好了。
是的，那我之前呢其实就看过一个对比视频，就是不盖嘴巴和盖了嘴巴的这个细菌扩散对比，还是挺吃惊的。So covering can help prevent the spread of some disease.
对，那另外一种很常见和嘴巴相关的声音呢，就是 yawn. Most people will yawn in the afternoon because they are tired or sleepy.
Yeah, yawn 拼写出来就是 Y-A-W-N, 意思就是打哈欠。而且一般认为啊，打哈欠是传染的。It's often considered contagious. You're likely yawn when you see someone else yawn. See pictures of someone yawning, or if you even think about yawning.
对 contagious 这个单词呢，就是表示传染性的，可以感染的。那之前不是还有一个说法吗？那如果别人打哈欠的时候，你不打哈欠，你就是那种冷血无情的人。
Yeah, but do you know why?
Well, some scientists support the idea that yawning serves as an empathetic function.
Empathetic 指的就是共情的。Someone who's empathetic has the ability to share another person's feelings or emotion as if they were their own.
对，所以就有一部分科学家认为打哈欠它是一个有共情能力的事情。So if you are more empathetic, then you are more likely to yawn when you see others yawn.
那这样看别人以后打哈欠的时候，我都不敢不打了。
But it's a theory still.
OK, 那我们接下来要聊到的这个声音啊，就是唉。
Why did you sigh, Nora?
Because we're going to talk about this word, sigh.
All right. 那 sigh 这个动作呢，就是叹气。像 Nora 在我们几个人中间就有个绰号叫做叹气子姐。
对，这个绰号呢，还真的不是一个好名字啊。因为在我们方言里面，叹气子就是说一个人挺傻的，不太清白。Well, I got the nickname because sometimes I make stupid mistakes, like leaving my kids at home.
Right, so you will sigh when you see her doing things like that.
所以其实叹气啊，主要是用来表达你的情绪的。It can express sadness, relief, tiredness, and so on.
对，但是像老一辈就会觉得不要经常叹气。They believe it can bring you bad luck.
那讲了这么多啊，其实这些好像还不是特别尴尬，对吧？比起我们下面要讲的这个 snoring 打呼噜。
Tell me frankly, Nora, do you snore at night?
No, never. I think men are more likely to snore than women. 感觉男孩子还是比女孩子打呼噜更多吧。Like my dad, he's always snoring after drinking or a day of hard work.
Yeah, also you're more likely to snore if you're overweight or you're a middle-aged or older man.
是的，其实打呼噜嘛也有很多原因的。如果是每天都打得特别大声，建议还是可以去看看医生的。
Exactly. OK, 那最后呢，我们要说的也就是最尴尬的，但是呢又无法避免的一种 passing gas.
For sure, you don't want to say anything to other people if you're about to pass gas in public places.
Yeah, well, I will just pretend that it's not me and walk away directly.
是的 ，pass gas 直译就是放弃嘛，这是一种委婉的说法，相信大家不需要我说出来就知道是什么了。或者另外一种常见的说法就是 fart。
哎，真的是聊着聊着就有味道了。But you know, sometimes when I'm with my close friends and family, if I want to fart, I just stand in front of them and tell them to breathe.
这也简直太恶搞了，所以以后只要站在我面前的时候，我都要注意一点。
Okay, so I guess that's all for today's podcast. 那今天呢，就和大家讲了各种各样身体发出来的声音。
Welcome to Morning English. 早安英文呢是一个为大家免费提供英语教学的频道，每天都会更新。如果你想获得关于英语 听说读写的内容，我们都会在这个频道更新。我们的目标是帮助全球的华人学好英语。如果你觉得还不错的话，记得给我们订阅哦。另外，点开小铃铛，这样的话就不会错过其他任何学习视频啦。对了，如果你想获取本节课的完整版笔记，在视频简介或者评论区领取哦。你也可以给这个视频点赞，点赞就相当于自动保存啦。
So thank you so much for listening. This is Nora.
This is Jen. See you next time. Bye.